In this video, I will show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. The first solution you should always consider is to disable the Windows Defender from the Windows settings. I'll show you how you can do that. For that, just click on the Windows button and just simply type in Windows Security. Just click on it. Now from here, just click on Virus and Threat Protection. Just click on that. Now if you have a third-party virus protection installed in your PC, then that will be listed here and will be active. But in my case, I haven't installed any third-party, so it is in Windows Security. If you have installed a third-party antivirus, then the Windows Defender might be automatically disabled. But in my case it is not. Then I have to go to the Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Now you can toggle the protection, real-time protection on and off. Now the pop-up will come up showing that the virus protection is turned off. So if you want to turn it on, then you can do it again. Reverse the process. You can reverse the process. Now the next option to disable the Defender is by using the group policy. I'll show you how you can do that. You have to first turn off the tamper protection option. You can see it here. You have to turn it off first. If you are using a Windows Pro Edition, then you will have the group policy editor inbuilt by default. But if you are using a Home Edition, you have to create a bat file to make the changes. Otherwise, the next option is to download a Policy Plus editor from the GitHub. I'll share the link on the video description. You can download it from there. So for that, I'm using the same Policy Plus. From here, I'm using this Policy Plus editor to make changes in the group policy. Now from here, what you have to do is just go to Find, then click on Buy Next. From here, just click on Defender. From here, just type in Defender Antivirus. Then click on Search. Now from here, just right click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus and click on that. From here, you will get the policy editor to disable the Microsoft Defender Antivirus. If you enable this will turn off the Microsoft Defender Antivirus. So this is how you can disable the Defender Antivirus using the group policy. And then you can click on the Apply button. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.